Welcome to Amazing Tools channel. In this video I am going to show you 10 best home tools you must see. Number 1. Number 2.
A lot happens at your front door. With a Ring video doorbell, you'll never miss a visitor.
Hi, Shelly. You home?
You know what? I'm at the store. I'll be there in like 10 minutes.
Hello?
Oh, hey, thought I missed you. Got a couple packages for you.
Oh, great. Can you put it around back, please?
Anytime, from anywhere, Ring keeps you connected to the things that matter most.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, you guys. Text me what you want for dinner.
Okay.
Home security starts at your front door. The Ring video doorbell features HD video, two-way talk, and customizable motion detection, which alerts you when anyone steps onto your property.
Hi there. What can I do for you?
Is this 217 Pine Street?
No, I think you're in the wrong place.
Sorry.
Ring puts home security in your hands and makes it easy to watch over your property. With the Ring video doorbell, you're always home.
Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7.
The Link Micro LTE by SpyPoint pairs the most popular cellular camera in years with the ultra-reliable LTE cellular network. And the Link Micro LTE is super compact and affordable, making it easier for hunters to utilize this new technology to capture real-time activity in the woods. The Link Micro LTE brings the most exciting and innovative technology to the market in over the past decade. And SpyPoint has worked hard to develop this cutting-edge technology, but do it at a price point that any hunter can appreciate. No cellular camera delivers more at this price point. Unlike other cellular cameras in the past, the Link Micro LTE combines the perfect balance of cellular technology, but in a simple platform, making it easy to use and set up. And this is the perfect balance for even the most tech-savvy hunters and those new to cellular cameras. Other features of the Link Micro LTE include industry-leading trigger speed and a flash and detection range out to 80 feet. With the Link Micro LTE, you have SpyPoint's simple selection and activation process, and SpyPoint provides various photo transmission plans, all with the goal of helping you meet your specific needs. Or you can choose the $10 per month truly unlimited plan from SpyPoint that sends every photo, no matter the count, for just $10 a month. Not only can you view images, but you can also take advantage of the rest of the SpyPoint experience that includes camera management, species filters, mapping and weather integration, all helping you be more productive in the field. The SpyPoint Link Micro LTE uses the most reliable cellular network on the market, all at an incredible price.
Number 8.
Stop dropping and losing screws and get back to work with the Rack Magnetic Wristband. Our wristband is a third helping hand when you need it most. with 10 super strong magnets to hold on to nails, screws, and other metal components. No more fumbling through pockets or gritting nails in your teeth. The exterior is wrapped in 1680D ballistic nylon to handle anything, and the interior protects your skin with double-layered soft mesh that allows for max breathability. But it's not just for your wrist. Strap it to your belt or hang it above your workbench for easy access to the tools you need. Get back to working frustration-free and get that third helping hand you need with the Rack Magnetic Wristband.
Number 9.
Whether you're moving, renovating, or want to expand your smart home, there's a smart lock that's right for you. Let's explore your options. Keypad locks replace your current lock without needing keys. To unlock your door, simply enter your unique entry code to get in. When you leave, lock the door behind you by simply tapping the keypad. It's easy to create multiple entry codes for your entire family that you can change anytime. Or set it to auto lock, so you don't have to think about it. Want the same great features for doors without a deadbolt? Consider a lever lock. Lever locks are great for garage doors and home offices. If you want to keep your keys and still enjoy the benefits of a keypad, consider a keyed option. Most smart locks offer remote access, so your phone now becomes your key. These locks make it easy to remotely control your door using an app and your home Wi-Fi with a simple tap. Securely lock and unlock your door from anywhere. Set it to auto unlock. You never have to pull your phone out of your pocket. The door automatically unlocks and locks behind you using
Number 10. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.